This series will be to showcase projects and tutorials based on the programming language called Python. I welcome everyone to share your thoughts, better ways, and tips on these videos. You have my word to reply each and one of your comments. First step will be to check to see if you have Python already installed on your computer. To do so, go ahead and open up Windows Terminal and type the following command: Python hyphen hyphen version. In my case, I have the current latest version installed, which is Python 3.9.2. In the case that you want to update to the latest version or completely install Python, you can do so by going to Python's official website, python.org. Click on the download option in the navigation bar. Click the yellow button to download the latest version here. You'll get an executable file. Go ahead and open it up and follow the prompts to install Python. Once completely installed, go back to your terminal and type the same command to verify.